right, we got purple first. Now, if you're Hank Green, you say, that's it. We did hard mode. We did connections hard mode because we got purple first. You're wrong. You can make it harder. And here's how. Now you have to get blue first, next. Okay, now which one's harder now? Which one's blue, do you think? Do you think it's Dazzle, Ritz, Flash, and Pomp? Or do you think it's Plaza, Court, Square, and Yard? I don't think it's Plaza. I think that's the yellow. Is Round, Match, Contest, and Bout? Here's why I think it is Dazzle, Ritz, Pomp, and Flash. Because we have Sparkle and Dazzle right next to Flash, and this one has a false flag, which makes me think it is going to be blue. Glitziness. Okay. Next. Do you think Yard, Square, Court, Plaza? Or do you think Round, Match, Bout, Contest? These both have kind of a false flag. I think this is the green. Why? No, I think this is the green. We failed hard mode. Hey, green. That's true hard mode, and you failed if you didn't do it the right way. Glitziness.